Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Warwick County and southwestern Indiana, Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Linville to near Boonville to near Newburgh, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, Dale,
until 10 p.m. this evening.
Santa Claus, Folsomville, Chrisney, Tennyson, and Gentryville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Spencer, and Warwick.